Alright guys, so today I'm going to talk about how to set SMAs on your binary.com account, that like SMA on the chart. So whatever charts you are working with, indicators sometimes, though they may not be 100% accurate, but there are some helpful tools that you can use to analyze your forex trading chart or binary trading chart. All right, and setting it is very much important, and I'm just going to be specific about this particular indicator called SMA. And the reason why it's very important is, in fact, some of these indicators have added a twist of settings where one can adjust and readjust them. All right, so first of all, I'm going to go to trading view. If you don't have trading view on your account, just go to your binary account to go to your trading view, or whatever account you're using, just go to the trading view. Now first of all, the first thing that I have to do here to make sure I get the reflex on time. All right, I have to choose a particular marker. Let me search, let me go here through here. I for real never see this. All right, let me go to here. All right, and change the timer to 1 minute. All right, now the reason why you have to change the 1 minute is so that you can see the reflection of the chart every single tick per tick. All right, so that's why I have to change to 1 minute. Then I have to go to indicator and search SMA. You can see it here. Let me see this one, smooth square moving average. All right, not what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for, SMA. And I'm going to install it twice. All right, I'm going to install it twice. So I just installed a second two SMA right there. All right, then I'm gonna have to delete this particular one, remove. All right, this one here, now I have to, now you can see I added two SMAs. You can see them, SMA smooth moving average, SMA 7, and they're both 7 7. So now I have to change the setting of one. Now when you are I just cancelled that. When you are setting your SMA, now the first thing, it depends on the kind of specification you are looking for, the kind of specification that you want, the kind of how you want your SMS to reflect. All right, most people just work with the default, and you set your SMS such that it looks like a MACD, that's a moving average convergent divergent indicator, or like what do they call it, what is it, oscillator? No, not oscillator. Yeah, stochastic, or it looks like a stochastic RSI. You see the way this stochastic RSI is looking. All right, so that's the way you pretty want your average to look like. So now I'm going to click on this setting here, and then I choose the setting. This presently is at close. Let me leave it at open, and then now you can see the changes, right? First of all, let me change the color so that you know the particular one that is being worked on. Let me change the color to blue. All right, so I just did that right now, and scale. Okay, let's do the scaling the way it is, and then I put it open. Now let me put it high. Okay, high. It looks great. I'm not looking for high. And then let me put HL2, also look great. HL4, see. Alright, so I'm going to go for close and then low. Alright, so let me go for close and open. Let me go for open. Alright, so open now. Now I have to adjust the length, the signal length. Now do you notice something? Now I'm adjusting the signal length such that as at this exact point where the market changes direction, we're using this particular section as a scenario. As at this exact point where the market changes direction is where the curve becomes stronger. All right, so if I continue to adjust that, it will, okay, it's actually at 1 now. Now that's to tell you that the signal is very, very strong. The reflection of the signal is very, very strong now. All right, now let me go over to the second one. All right, let me click setting here, 7. First, if I choose open, okay, let me leave it as close, and then let me adjust it. Let me leave it open. No, open is not the same. High, low, ratio, ratio. No, let's leave that open. This, no, this, lower, high, low. I'm looking at this low. This low seems to be pretty good to me, but not exactly that good. Now you can okay, can we make it a bit thicker? Yeah, let's make the line a bit thicker so that I can see what I'm doing. Let me leave that open. Open is okay. With setting 2. Why this particular one, I'll leave this one as close, and then I might want to increase the intensity more. Alright, I think that's okay now. Now this is the way this SMA is set. Now if you look at it, now you will notice something. I believe this particular one, I need to adjust the setting a bit. The sensitivity is too much, so let me make it 2. Back to 1. Alright, let's leave it at 1. Alright, now with this, now we can explain something. Now you will notice that here the red, there was the buying stopped here, sorry, the selling stopped here. At this point in time, the selling, the market stopped. Let me take it as let me zoom it a bit. Alright, I'm trying to zoom. Why would I have to go through that process when I can just do what I want here? Alright, so you can see here the buying, this selling stopped here and buying began here. And as at when buying began, after this candle, as at exactly this particular candle, the market, the blue candle, the blue SMA crossed the green SMA. Crossed the orange SMA, and as soon as that was done, selling began. And you notice that whenever the blue SMA is above the orange SMA, there's always buying. Alright, there's always buying. As soon as that happens, there's always buying. But whenever the orange SMA is below the, it's above the green SMA, sorry, the blue SMA, there's always a sell. Alright, there's always a sell. Alright, look at this now. This is below the orange SMA, and there's a sell in the market. Alright, I think I'll have to change that color to red so that it will yeah, so that it will clearly depict what we are looking at. All right, now whenever the red SMA is on top, there's always sell, and whenever the blue SMA is on top, which is this, there's always buying. All right, so if you are there and you want to set your SMA, this is properly how to just do it, and you get this whole thing straight. All right, now if you scroll down the market line, you discover that is what typically happens in the market. All right, now if you switch the chart to about like 1 hour chart, for those who are not trading binary, that are trading MT4, you discover that it works the same way. You can see the red SMA, that's the SMA with a signal 2, and open position is above, and there is sell, and when it goes below, there comes buy in the market. So if you are out there and you want to set your SMA, that's pretty hard to just do this whole shit. It's not that difficult. Then if you have a particular setting you want to adjust in the market, you just have to make a twist around it from the settings here. You just have to make a twist from around here. All right, you just have to make a twist. That's whatever this thing. Now if you're installing this on an MT5, or the SMA setting, there are pretty more, like the settings are pretty more, and oh no, they're not more. Okay, that's alligator. Okay, so however it looks like, or however it appears on MT5, it's pretty around this particular setting that I've just done here. So be sure you do all that. All right, thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you learned something new. If you've subscribed to my channel, thank you for always coming back. Some person sent me a message before now telling me that they learned a lot from my video and they enjoy my video, and my video is really educating, and I so much appreciate your response, and I am glad that my video is helping you out and is making a lot of differences in your life. I'm so glad, and that's the purpose why I am making this some of these videos, is to make changes out there. But there's a way you too can help me from out there. Now if my video is making is a bit helpful to you, you could just give it a thumbs up, like it, and that's liking it by giving it a thumbs up, and then subscribing, and you share to others. At least giving a thumbs up to a video helps to increase the performance of the video with YouTube algorithm. So please, if you like my video, ensure you give it a thumbs up. All right, if you are watching this one right now, it would be nice, it would be a favor you do to me by just giving this video a thumbs up. It will help it to, you know, soar in the YouTube algorithm. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.